Hello, everyone. Welcome to my talk for PyOhio 2022, your Python multi-tool for built-ins and a module. Any links or references mentioned during this presentation will be collected into a companion web page. The items I am about to present work both in the REPL and during runtime. Online documentation, while plentiful and thorough, can often be time-consuming to navigate and distracting. Have you used a multi-tool? This useful tool provides many tools in one device, from a bottle opener to a screwdriver to a small knife. In my professional experience, I've found 5 tools in Python that I consider part of my Python multi-tool. Whether you are new to Python or have years of experience, these 5 tools are very helpful when learning something new in the language. We will begin with the help function. Calling the help function with no arguments enters an interactive session in Python's help utility, while passing an object will return help information specifically relating to the object. Next, we cover the dir function. This will return a list of items available in the current scope or items available in a module, class, or other object. Then we have the type function. This will return the type of the object passed. Suppose that I wanted to learn how to use the time module. After importing the module, I can then pass the time module to the dir command to obtain a list of items available in the module. In the resulting list, I can see there is an item named time. I can then use the type function to obtain the type of that item, which is a built-in function or method. The help function can then be used to get more information on the time function. I begin to use the time function, and by using the type function, I can confirm that the type of the object returned is a float. Now I know that I can perform math operations on floats, so I can grab 2 times and subtract them to find the time difference. The ID function returns the identity of an object as an integer. This identity should be unique for different objects. Underneath, the implementation is such that you can consider this the address of the object in memory. Suppose that we want to explore how Python lists are handled when referenced or copied. Here we have a list defined called thing1. We then made a reference to thing1 called thing2. We used the copy module to make a copy of thing1. The ID function can help us confirm that the ID for thing1 and thing2 are the same, showing that thing2 is a reference to the same list as thing1. We can then use the ID function to confirm that copied thing is an actual copy of the original list. The inspect module provides useful information from live Python objects. This module only needs to be imported as it is part of the standard library. Using this module, you can obtain information such as the following. Here we see a class outline on the left. We can call a function on inspect called getMembers, pass it a condition, and it will return a list of items that match the condition. This code inspects our module for all the classes and then for the functions available in each class that is found. Now we have a compilation of classes and their functions. This could be used for information or even programmatically to process the class data. Another example of what the inspect module provides is obtaining source code programmatically. From our module, we can get a string return that is the code that comprises the class. Now we have a very powerful examination tool where we can obtain code from an object and have it available in our program. Help, dir, type, ID, and inspect are the tools that go together to make a very useful Python learning multi-tool. After many years of programming, I still use these tools to find my way around code bases that are new to me or while validating my code development as I work. Thank you for viewing my presentation, and I hope you find that this multi-tool is useful. Please enjoy the rest of the presentations, and best wishes in your Python journey.